Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Eyes Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive smart handcrafted jewelry collection. So let me display. This one is first one, very smart and trendy looks. Chemical beads with silver oxidized jewelry, combine work, design work, and fully handcrafted one. These are beautiful chemical beads with contrast beads color and silver base oxidized jewelry, combined pendant and beautiful beads. Nice and trendy looks, best for your office wear, and you can use with your fancy dresses also. And this one western based fancy dresses, and this one is back portion, and this one is full earrings, beautiful silver oxidized jewelry, chemical beads, combined fully handcrafted jewelry. Very nice one. So let me display next one. This one also very bright looks and contrast beads with silver oxidized jewelry and beautiful pendant. This one is beautiful pendant, and these are premium quality beads design, contrast beads, silver oxidized jewelry charms, and this one is your earrings, very lightweight, comfortable, and very lightweight earrings, silver oxidized jewelry with contrast beads combined, and fully handcrafted one, and very lightweight also, best for your daily wear. Very nice looks. This one is pendant, silver oxidized jewelry, and these are contrast beads, and these are oxidized charms, silver base oxidized charm, and this portion is cotton thread, back portion. Nice and smart looks. So let me display next one. It's very beautiful one, bright pink shade beads and golden shaded oxidized jewelry, handcrafted one, very trendy and bright looks, and earrings also very beautiful one. This one is fully jhumka pattern earrings with contrast pink beads and golden shade oxidized jewelry charms, very trendy and bright traditional looks, very beautiful one. And this one fully two combine, and this one is back portion, and this one is front view. Very trendy looks and golden shade oxidized jewelry with contrast beads combined, handcrafted jewelry. So next one. Next one also very beautiful and smart looks, cotton threaded balls with silver base oxidized jewelry, and this one beautiful smart pendant and fully premium quality cotton balls and silver base oxidized jewelry, and very lightweight also, best for your daily wear. And this one is earrings, very smart and trendy looks, and contrast color cotton balls and silver oxidized jewelry, and very lightweight, comfortable. And this one cotton tassel, very trendy and smart looks, best for your daily use. So next one. This one also very heavy looks, silver oxidized jewelry with beads design work, very nice one. These are silver oxidized jewelry charms and fully handcrafted neck piece, very bright and beautiful looks, heavy jewelry neck piece. And this one is smart earrings, beads, small beads with silver oxidized jewelry, and very lightweight also, best for your daily wear sarees, dresses. And this one is pendant set, silver base oxidized jewelry, common and fully handcrafted one, and this one is cotton tassel, and this one is beautiful one, very smart looks, trendy one. So let me display next one. This one also very bright looks, beads with cotton tassel works, fully handcrafted design. This one is cotton tassel, and this one beautiful pendant and fully handcrafted design, very smart, trendy, elegant but traditional looks. And this one is earrings, very lightweight also, silver oxidized jewelry charms with beautiful beads design, very nice looks, trendy, traditional, fashionable looks, very lightweight also, best for your daily use also. So next one. Also very bright, beautiful, gorgeous traditional looks, and these are beautiful beads, and these are fully golden shade oxidized jewelry with kundan shade, very nice looks. And this one is earrings and full set is very lightweight, you know. This one is earrings, golden oxidized jewelry, kundan stones with beautiful beads design and fully handcrafted design. Very smart looks and fully traditional looks, based for your traditional wear sarees, dresses. These are beautiful earrings and premium quality oxidized jewelry, you know, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is back portion and this one is front. Very beautiful, bright, traditional, gorgeous looks. So next one, this one also, you know, very bright one, red, maroon red shade combined with golden shade oxidized jewelry work. And these are, you know, chemical beads, very nice and elegant looks with balls, golden shade oxidized jewelry, gems balls, and beautiful pendant with beads design and fully handcrafted design. And this one is earrings, beautiful beads and golden oxidized, nice looks and elegant also, fully lightweight earrings, golden set oxidized jewelry with beads design and fully handcrafted one, chemical beads, golden set oxidized jewelry, combined handcrafted jewelry. Very nice and smart, bright looks, very nice one. And this one is back portion, tassel, cotton threaded tassel, very nice and bright looks. So let me display next one. This one also, you know, same pattern, chemical beads with silver base oxidized jewelry combined work, very nice one. And first of all, fully handcrafted design. These are chemicals beads, and this one, you know, is very smart silver base oxidized jewelry pendant. And these are earrings, very beautiful, lightweight, smart looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one is cotton tassel, adjustable, and this one is very smart looks. So let me display next one. Also, in a very beautiful, bright looks, cotton contrast ball with golden charms design, very nice one, smart, trendy looks and very lightweight also. And this one is beautiful earrings, cotton balls, golden set oxidized jewelry, charms design and fully handcrafted one, very smart, trendy looks. And this portion is very beautiful design, fully golden oxidized jewelry and cotton balls, charms design, very nice one. And this one is back portion, cotton tassel, and this one is front. Very nice one, and earrings is very lightweight, you know. So let me display next one. And this one also, you know, very bright and beautiful silver base oxidized jewelry. These are cotton balls, very nice looks, contrast color cotton balls with silver oxidized jewelry, charms combined work and fully, you know, handcrafted one, very lightweight, fully handmade design. And this one is beautiful pendant with cotton balls, contrast color cotton balls and silver oxidized charms work and fully designer work and handcrafted one. And this one is earrings, silver oxidized jewelry, cotton balls, contrast cotton balls work and handcrafted one, very beautiful, smart looks, based for your daily use, daily office wear, office dress, very nice one. And this one is back portion, cotton threaded tassel, very nice one. And this one is front, very bright looks. So let me display next one. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, bright pink shaded beads with silver oxidized jewelry combined work. This portion is 10 portions and this one is heavy pendant, silver oxidized jewelry pendant. And this one is earrings, very lightweight, you know, beautiful long earrings, silver oxidized jewelry, charms, beads, premium quality beads have sign also. And this one is silver oxidized jewelry combined work, fully handcrafted one. And this one is long portion, this one is back portion, very beautiful one, bright. So let me display next one. So, you know, very beautiful one, bright golden shade oxidized jewelry. This portion is heavy pendant, fully golden shade, premium quality golden shade oxidized jewelry. And this one is long chains and beautiful golden balls. And this one is, you know, earrings, very lightweight, beautiful golden shade oxidized jewelry, charms and charms design, fully handcrafted one, long chain and beautiful heavy pendant, very smart, trendy looks. So let me display next one. Next one also, you know, very smart looks. This one also a very beautiful, smart, trendy one. Cotton balls, wooden birds design, very nice one with golden oxidized jewelry balls, very smart and trendy looks, based for your daily use, office use, very nice one. This one is contrast cotton balls, golden set oxidized jewelry and wooden colorful parts, very nice combined and fully handcrafted design. And this one, earrings, very lightweight earrings, you can use with your daily wear sarees and dresses, very smart, trendy looks, bright color combinations, and back portion is cotton tassel, very nice one. So let me display next one also very beautiful one. This one is very bright, beautiful one. These are very nice combinations, chemical beads with sunk, and this one is silver based oxidized jewelry, combined handcrafted design, very smart, elegant looks, and black and white combined looks with silver oxidized jewelry, charms and pendant, very nice looks. And this one is earrings, very lightweight, chemical beads, sunk design, very nice one, and elegant looks, black and white combined work. These are beautiful premium quality sunk, and this one is chemical beads, black shaded, black and white, and this one is silver heavy pendant, and this one is back portion cotton tassel, very elegant looks. So let me display next one. And this one also, next one is very bright one, silk balls with silver oxidized jewelry, and this one is beautiful pendant, very nice looks. These are silk material balls and silver oxidized jewelry balls, combined work, fully handcrafted design. This one is beautiful silver oxidized jewelry, combined and silk material design, balls design, very nice look. And this one is beautiful silver oxidized jewelry pendant, and this one is earrings, very beautiful, lightweight and bright color combinations, contrast color combined and fully handcrafted design. And this portion, back portions cotton tassel, very nice looks. So let me display next one. This one also very beautiful one, fully golden shade oxidized jewelry chains with heavy pendant. This one is fully premium quality golden shade oxidized jewelry pendant and charms design, fully handcrafted one, hand design. And this portion is chain, beautiful one, silver golden shade oxidized jewelry with charms combined work. And this one is earrings, very lightweight jhumka base, and this one is beautiful golden shade chain pattern oxidized jewelry, very nice one, smart looks. So let me display next one. This one also very beautiful, smart, trendy looks, balls, premium quality shiny balls with beautiful silver oxidized jewelry, charms work. And this one, earrings, very nice one, long patterns earrings, silver oxidized jewelry base, charms base with beautiful jhumka pattern oxidized jewelry, combines beads and silver base oxidized jewelry combined design, very nice one. And this one is back portion, and this one is front, very smart, trendy looks. So let me display next one. And I'm seeing a very bright, beautiful looks, long chains pattern, very nice one, and fully handcrafted one, golden set oxidized jewelry, charms with beautiful beads design, black set with golden oxidized jewelry, charms, beads design. And this one is beautiful pendant, fully golden set oxidized jewelry pendant, very nice one, contrast color looks. And this one, earrings, very lightweight, smart looks earrings, golden oxidized jewelry, charms and beads combined work, and fully handcrafted design, very smart, trendy, bright looks. And this one is back portions cotton tassel, and this one is front view, very nice one, trendy, smart looks. And today I have did a beautiful bright color jewelry. This portion is beads, beautiful one, bright color and golden shade oxidized jewelry, charms design, very nice looks with beautiful lightweight earrings, very soft one, smart looks, bright also. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.